Of it, just let it. Hi, I got this set up here to put water in my camper without taking the camper to the water site. So this is what we use in our setup. First we have one of these 5-gallon. It's a collapsible water jug, and we just fill it up. And I also have one of these generators, I-60 generator. It can run AC or DC. Here's the various components, DC at the bottom, and these USB and plugs here. And you charge it by this output over here. Also has a flashlight. And I bought this pump from Amazon. It's a bayite. I'll put a description in the video. And I hooked this up to it. I bought this cigarette lighter adapter for it. This comes with the generator along with various other ones. So I just hooked this into here and put this on a DC output. I put that down, and if you look down at the generator, there's a flow. It says this arrow, so I hooked this. I also got this tubing on Amazon too. I'll put that in a link. So then I just opened the fresh water supply in the camper, and I put this hose in there, and then I put this hose in here. It fits down in there, so it's kind of at the bottom but not sucking it. And then I just turn this on. Turn the power on. It's on DC. Yeah, this whole process of 5-gallon, it only takes about a few minutes to complete, and I never did adjust any other settings on it, so just how it came out of the package. Okay, I wanted to show you how easy this is to put away. I just swifty tied it, as you can see here. And then I just get a bag and put it in the bag. That's in there. And then I just tie it up. Then I have another bag with another hose. And then I just put that up in there. And close this one up. I just keep it in the truck back here along with my generator. And then I just fold this up, and I'll show you how to. Well, actually, I'll dump the excess off here. And how to fold this up. Let me see, how do we do this from the bottom? Yeah, I think it's from the bottom here. Like this. And then like this, and like this, and like this. There we go. I put the cap on. You gotta fold it with the cap off because of the air, you know. And then I just get a swifty tie. Let me get all the air out of there. Where's my swifty tie? Anyway, just put a rubber band there, and it folds fairly flat, and put it away. This is our foldable wagon. Of course, we carry our water in it to fill up our jugs, and this is one of the best purchases I ever made because it makes life simple carrying stuff. So when you're enjoying yourself, you're enjoying your little trip and your vacation. So it's well worth the money. Okay, I hope this helps somebody solve this problem with the water pump. And if you have any comments or suggestions or want to ask me anything, just see the information below and I'll try to get back to you. Okay.